To lock an album on your Samsung Galaxy A07, you need to ensure that you have Gallery Labs turned on. If you don't know how to do so, I'll leave a video linked in the description down below. Once you have Gallery Labs enabled, simply navigate to the Gallery app on your phone, and then all you need to do is select Menu. Tap on Settings, and then swipe through the different settings until you find Gallery Labs. Select it. From here, scroll down until you find Album Entry Locks. Tap on the toggle next to it to turn it on and confirm your choice. Then in order for the change to be applied, close your Gallery app on your phone and then launch it again. Then go ahead and create or navigate to an album on your phone. So let me just create an album right here. And then just navigate to the album section. From here, find the album that you wish to lock and long press on it like so. And then tap on the three dots for the More menu and select Lock Album. You can see the album now has a padlock icon. So if you want to access it, you'll have to tap on it, enter in the current PIN of your device, and then you'll be able to unlock your album. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.